3 more life-changing websites that you should save
for later. Card.co, you can build one-page websites for free. It's a great and affordable way to get started. If you don't have a website, namecheck.com, see if your username is available across different domains and different social media platforms. So if it types something in like drug rehab, I can see which domains are available. Bubble.us, create mind maps and flow charts like this. Here's a really cool example. Share this video with yourself so you can use these websites later.